Welcome to today's video. As you already know, my name is Patrick. Today I'm going to be telling you about the things you need to get ready for your youth service. As a foreign student, there are certain requirements that are necessary for you to be fully prepared for your youth service as a foreign student. Foreign student means that you have studied outside the shores of Nigeria. You have gone to Cyprus, you studied in America, Canada, Ghana, Benin Republic, South Africa, Cyprus, and so on and so forth. So if you have studied in any of these countries outside of Nigeria, you need some of these documents to prepare for National Youth Service. That is, if you want to serve in Nigeria, you need this document, and the documents you need are different from those who are actually trained in Nigeria or those who study in Nigeria. Okay, let's get to it quickly. What are those requirements? Number one, you will need your certificate and transcript. Now, it is important to note that if your certificate is not in English language, okay, if your school issued your certificate in any other language other than English language, you have to translate that into English language, which will also be uploaded during your registration. You also need a transcript. What's a transcript? A transcript is a document that contains a list of all the courses you took and their grades. Okay, so you need the transcript, you need a certificate. That's number two. Number three, you will need your international passport, the data page of your international passport. You also need the stamped in page and the stamped out page. The stamped in page is the page that contains the dates when you officially got to the country of your study. And the stamp out date is also the official. You also carry the official stamp of the date you departed from your country, or the date you arrived back to Nigeria. So you need that stamp, very important, the stamp in and stamp out. So I will encourage you, if you are still studying, get as many stamps as you can get. Very, very important. Okay, so that's about the data page. Let's move on to the next requirement. You will need the resident permit. Now, the resident permit is of course the student permit. It's a document that shows that you actually studied in that country. So you can get that from the local office of your school. Authority can also help you to process that. Okay, you also need you need a passport photograph, white background passport photograph, very important. Okay, so when you have all these documents ready, very important also, you need your WAEC or NECO results certificate. WAEC or NECO certificate, very important, not the usual printout from the computer system. The original certificate that is issued by the respective issuing body, maybe WAEC or NECO or NAPTEP, whichever one you are making use of. The original certificate, you need it. Okay, so let's take it again. You need your certificate, you need your transcript, you need your international passport stamped in and out, and you need your WAEC or NECO or NAPTEP, whichever one you're using, original one, and then you need a white background passport photograph. Now, when you have all these documents, and don't forget, if your certificate is issued in different language, maybe French, Chinese, any other language that is not English language, you need to translate it to English. Okay, so these are the documents you need. So comment below, let me know if you like this video. You can also click the like button, you can subscribe for more videos, and you can also click the notification button to receive the next video. Okay, so if you have any questions concerning youth service, National Youth Service, you can comment below, and then I'll definitely respond. So in my next video, I'll be responding. Someone sent me a mail recently, so I'll be in my next video I'll respond to that email. What are the things that could cause you from not going to youth service, if depending on the kind of document you have uploaded, and then you are receiving messages, upload this, upload that, and you're unable to go for the youth service? What can you do? That's a question that I received recently. So in my next video, I'm going to respond to that. So don't forget, subscribe and click the notification button so you can be notified as soon as my next video come up. Okay, that'll be all for now. Bye.